Okay, so it's all had an undercoat of black. I've done some painting of the silver on the interior, and that bit which is supposed to be a slightly different shade of silver, which I mixed up. I don't know how well that's come up, won't know until I've put the normal silver on the rest of it, so I'm going to mask that off in a minute. For the first time ever, I've attempted to mask a canopy, so we'll see how that comes out once I finish painting. And yeah, I've built the wings, and I've put the flaps down. Not sure if that's at the right angle yet. I'll have to do a bit more research, but yeah, it will do for now. I've sanded the edges off. This one still needs doing. But yeah, next step. Oh yeah, and I've put the pilot in his seat. So yeah, next step is start putting it all together. So I'll see you once I've got the fuselage together. Right, okay, I am not best pleased. Somehow my camera has managed to switch off its audio recording function, so I've got, you know, all my build update videos that I've recorded between the beginning and now have no audio on them, so that's really annoying. But as you can see, it's all together now. You've lost, if I can get the get a torch on that. Right, in there, I've had the scratch build a bit to go in now. I know it's not quite right for any rivet counters out there, but the bit that was in there just didn't work. There was a massive gap at the top and bottom, so I scratch built that out of a bit of plasticard. Yeah, it did not want to go together very well. There was like, it didn't like sand. I must have spent about an hour sanding the seams on this, so I lost all that nice rivet detail that it had. Same on the underneath. I mean, it's stupid screen keeps switching itself off, so I can't see what I'm looking at. So yeah, there's still a bit of a seam line there, but yeah, I just got to a stage where I got fed up with it, to be honest. Yeah, the nose needle didn't fit properly, so I've had to hack a bit out the top of that. Yeah, well, it's vaguely P1127 shaped. I'm quite happy with it. The other thing is, I think on the original aircraft, the side wheels only one touched the ground at any one time. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I'm sure I've seen that in a lot of photographs of this, that it's slightly one-sided and one of the wheels is off the ground. But yeah, it's together now. It's painted. The kit didn't want to take the paint particularly well, because well, around where the exhaust bit is there, that raised sort of triangular bit behind the vent. Yeah, I painted that, mixed up the colour, painted it, and then thought, right, I'll mask that. And when I took the masking tape off, it pulled all of the paint off. I'm just going to get it here to try and work out how to get this screen to stay on. Yeah, so it pulled the undercoat off as well as all the other layers of paint, so that was a waste of time. Yeah, so, but you know, I've got there. I'm annoyed I've lost all the footage that I recorded of it as I was putting it together. I can't even be bothered to chop them down. I mean, I might put a video of them on, as it's just complete silence, if you're interested. So that is a separate video. But yeah, it is what it is. As you can see, the wings don't fit massively well, and yeah, I've got to a stage with it now. I've bought some more lacquer, some proper stuff this time. You saw my last build update video. I bought this stuff from by the post office, from their art section, and it was just it went on really well without attacking the paint, but when I put the wash on there, the wash dissolved the lacquer and then attacked all the paint and nearly ruined a couple of kits.
is most annoying. So I threw it out, but I'm regretting throwing it out now because I'm thinking it might be worth putting a layer of that on first, and then your Tamiya, because the Tamiya quite often attacks these paints. So I don't know, I'll have to see. I'll just use lighter coats. But anyway, that's enough waffle. Yeah, I'll get this one uploaded, and I will update you again when it's finished, probably. Alright, I'll see you in a bit.